go from pretty but drab to sparkly and fun and gorgeous and personalized. Do you have a makeup case that you want to bling up, but you're not really sure how to do it? I actually got this makeup case from a friend of mine. It's from Sephora, and I have blinged it up, and I'm going to show you how. I went to Dollarama and I got these sheets. They're $2 and I bought 12 of them. So you're going to use between 10 and 12. So this is what they look like. And they actually, it's row by row, so it takes a long time. You have to dedicate. And you're going to start measuring just put them on one by one underneath, and then you press it. Sometimes one or two falls off, and I highly recommend this. Is really good for projects like this or your jewelry. This is Sally Hansen Hard as Nails Extreme Wear, and it's invisible. So if you have one that fell off, you'll see this one here fell off. You take this, we'll put a little dab and then we'll stick that back on and press it, and that will dry overnight. I actually put my name, you'll see they were also at the dollar store, but isn't that fabulous? So when I'm finished, it'll be all glitter everywhere. Super pretty, easy to do, inexpensive, and you can personalize. You can customize it, and if you have to remove one, you just hold it and pull it. So you can add as many super easy.